What's up, YouTube? Pat the Car Guy here from OregonCarSource.com out at Ron Talking Toyota with this beautiful car behind me. This is a all-new 2021 fully loaded XSE-Prime RAV4, and not just any XSE-Prime. This magnetic gray metallic XSE-Prime is the cream of the crop. It has the premium audio package. It also has the weather package and the premium package. This premium package is rare. This is the first one I've seen in personally. And on top of that, we also have all-weather floor mounts, blackout emblem overlays, roof rack crossbars, and mudguards. So, just taking a look at the vehicle, first off, this is a plug-in hybrid SUV, so there is some tax credits involved if you purchase this vehicle new. Some things that separate the Prime from your regular hybrid RAV4 versus the Prime is this lower trim piece here. Also the marker lights there. This one, because of that premium package, you have a camera in the front grille as well as underneath your side view mirrors. The XSE model is going to get these 19-inch alloy wheels. The XSEs are all going to have this two-tone look. So this is all black up above and it's here, and then your body color is below. Also, the XSEs are going to have the black trim on the wheel wells. Walking out back, we got parking sonar all the way around the vehicle. There's those blackout emblems. Of course, we're going to have a power rear liftgate, just standard on this model. These are those all-weather mats. We got JBL premium stereo system with built-in subwoofer, a 1500 watt built-in inverter. Looks like we also have a foot sensor, so foot operation for that power liftgate as well. We have advanced keyless entry on all doors, which is really cool. A different charger is going to come with this premium package as well. In the back seat, we have fast charging USBs as well as vents on the armrests, cup holders in the armrests, heated outboard seats. So this seat, that seat heated on this vehicle as well. Passenger seat is power. This is the first time I've seen that in a RAV4 as well. Beautiful car. This one, of course, is pre-sold. These are very difficult to get your hands on. Talking about getting one of these real quick. As far as these go new, each dealership has a different policy. Our dealership at Ron Tonkin currently, it is right now, it's June 2021, and we're only selling these vehicles to local customers. You need to register the vehicle locally. You need to be a local customer. Our reasoning behind that at Ron Tonkin is that the demand for this vehicle is so high currently right now. It is the fastest selling new Toyota, and it's the second fastest of any car brand vehicle on the market right now. So when the demand is so high and they're that difficult to get, we need to service our local community first. It doesn't help us grow our brand reputation and help our local community by selling these hard to get vehicles to out-of-state buyers just because they're willing to pay us more money. Also, talking about the price, the Primes as well as TRD Pro vehicles here at Ron Talking Toyota, we sell them all for $2,500 above the MSRP price. That $2,500 is not just blue sky though. It is going to come with some protection packages because we're hoping to see the vehicle come back to us someday as a trade-in. That's another reason why we're only selling them to local buyers. The protection packages are an interior exterior sealant called Max Guard that covers, coats the car with a membrane basically you don't see. It protects it from stains, as well as comes with a 7-year warranty in case it did get stained and you weren't able to get it out. We'll make sure that it returns back to its original luster. The other thing we do, this one hasn't had it done yet. We have it scheduled to be done in a few days. We're about 3M clear mask, where they protect the whole front with a chip protect clear mask for the vehicle. That's $14.95. So $14.95 for the clear mask, $9.95 for the max guard protection. That's how we're doing business on the Prime at this time. That may change in the future as supply and demand starts to normalize on this vehicle. Let's take a step inside. 100% built in Japan. You got all your power options on the door here: power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. It's also memory functionality for your driver's seat, which is of course fully power, including your lumbar. Lots of buttons here. Adjust the brightness of the dash lights, car's automatic high beams, windshield wiper, de-icer grid. This is going to activate your cameras, activate your heated steering wheel, and this is going to activate the inverter in the back. You also have a button here to use that power rear liftgate. Of course, we've got push button start. This has the largest display available in a RAV4. We also have the electrochromatic rear view mirror with built-in home link. Toyota safety sense with adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, lane trace assist, JBL premium stereo with integrated navigation. Up front, the front seats are not just heated but ventilated as well. You also have a QI wireless charging pad down here. Dual zone auto climate control, so set the temperature for driver and passenger. And then this is kind of what makes the premium package the premium package. We've got a panoramic moonroof. Really cool feature. You can close that sunshade, or you can leave it open, depending on what you're feeling. Auto headlights. Over here, you've got auto rain sensing wipers. Down here, we've got some different drive modes. We've got Eco, Normal, and Sport. You also have a Trail mode, and then you have Auto EV and hybrid vehicle, electric vehicle, charge hold. A lot of things to go over in this vehicle. I don't even know if I fully understand them all. This vehicle is very technologically advanced, but I'd love to earn your business on one. And if I do earn your business on one, I'll make sure you know how to work everything on the vehicle before you leave in it. I'd love to help you out with this vehicle or any other new Toyota for that matter. Feel free to hit me up through my website, OregonCarSource.com. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see some more videos. You can also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok for more automotive content as well. Hope you're having a great day, and thanks for watching.